Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Letitia. So today I am going to show you how to make your own cucumber face wash. Cucumber is the main ingredient in this face wash because it will help with skin hydration, heal sunburns on your face, prevent acne, and mostly reduce skin inflammation. As you can see, this face wash will clarify your skin, reduce oiliness, and mostly remove all the impurities on your face. The first step is to sanitize or wash your hands, and then after you have to cut the cucumber into pieces. Add a little bit of water. In this case, I have added 1/4 quantity of water. To be honest, I feel like the water was too much for the cucumber because cucumber is already watery, so you can add less water if you want to. Or if you have a good blender, then just don't add any water and just blend the cucumber alone. The next step is to strain your cucumber. You can always use muslin cloth if you have one. It will be even easier for you to use muslin cloth as it can help you extract all the cucumber juice from the pulp. Castile soap is so good for your skin and for your face. It is perfect for sensitive skin people if well diluted, of course. So Castile soap is made of plant oils such as coconut, hemp, sunflower seed, jojoba, and olive. For a 1/4 cup of Castile soap, please add 2/4 cup of cucumber juice. In this case, I have added 5 drops of lavender essential oil. You can always add any other essential oils that you want. I have talked about a lot of essential oils on my channel, so please look at my other DIYs. For this cucumber face wash to be stable and mostly safe for your skin, I truly recommend you to add a preservative agent into your face wash. You can always use any preservatives. I am using Geragard ECT as this is a natural preservative that I have always been using in all my cosmetics products that I make myself. You can always store this cucumber face wash into the refrigerator and use it every day if you don't have a preservative. You can store the cucumber face wash into any bottle that you might have, but personally I love foaming bottles. I got this one from Amazon. And when cleansing your face in general, guys, please take time to cleanse your face. I don't care if this will take you more than 30 seconds. It will help you have a clear skin because a lot of impurities that you guys have on your skin that sometimes cause acne is due to the fact that you guys don't cleanse your face well. Sometimes I double cleanse just to make sure that my face is extremely clean. As you guys can see, this cucumber face wash is clarifying. My skin is clear, soft, plump. I really recommend you guys to try this cucumber face wash at home and use it on your skin. Maybe this face wash may be the missing product in your skincare routine.